Screaming through the skies like a phantom of death, the B-1B Lancer is a relentless war machine forged for devastation. Designed to crush enemies before they even see it coming, this supersonic beast flies low, fast, and nearly invisible to radar. Nicknamed the Bone, it carries a monstrous 75,000 pounds of pure destruction, more than any other bomber in the U.S. arsenal. With afterburning engines pushing it past 900 miles per hour, it strikes deep, hard, and without mercy. When the B-1B takes off, it doesn't just fly, it unleashes hell. This is not just a bomber. It's a nightmare with wings. Follow for more informative videos.